The Sheboygan Area School District will place a referendum question on the November 5 ballot, asking the community to invest $121 million, tax impact of $20 per $100,000 of property value, to rebuild and remodel Urban and Farnsworth middle schools on their existing sites. Both schools are approaching 100 years old and have significant challenges. By rebuilding and remodeling these facilities to create modern learning spaces, the district will be able to better implement our education plans for students. New schools would have modernized learning spaces with wide hallways and more open areas, universally designed to meet the academic, sensory, and physical needs of all learners. Collaborative learning spaces allow for small group work and collaboration between students in surrounding classrooms. Schools would have improved lighting, better air quality, and air conditioning. All of these improvements would help our students learn and grow more effectively. Our libraries would be transformed into state-of-the-art media centers that serve as creative gathering places with flexible design and adaptive furniture where students can relax with a book, conduct research, and engage with technology. Rebuilt and remodeled STEAM spaces would equip our students to develop their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These spaces would allow them to express their creativity and further develop the skills needed for success in science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math. These spaces would also align with the advanced technology centers at North and South High Schools. Rebuilt and remodeled gym and fitness spaces would meet the needs of our students and the broader community by providing additional space for athletics, clubs, and co-curricular activities. Expanded spaces would be available for community use with secure access to these areas only. Rebuilt and remodeled outdoor spaces would meet a wide variety of needs, like a smooth flow of traffic in and out of school, a place for communal gathering, and an area to extend learning while our students enjoy being outdoors in natural sunlight and fresh air. Rebuilding and remodeling the district's two oldest middle schools would allow the district to address significant facility challenges as well as benefit our students by providing new learning opportunities. To learn more about the November 5 referendum, visit the district's website or contact us directly by phone or email.